Hi guys, I am finishing up 3 collage fodder packs that are going up for sale. So I thought I would take you along and show you some more things I'm adding. So these are just vintage playing cards. Collage fodder, my collage fodder packs come with, you know, some pieces from things around my house I've collected for junk and art journaling, handmade things, obviously, painted papers, lots of numbers. These I did on music paper. And then maybe when I'm done adding a few more things to these, I will show you what is inside a whole pack. We will see. I do like the element of surprise. This is some dyed book page. I think I already put some in there, but I'm doing a little more. So these packs come with dyed papers, stamped papers, numbers, collage fodder, painted papers, tickets, all sorts of stuff. It's so much fun for me to put these together because I kind of scrounge through or ransack through my supply. The goal for these is to have little bits and bobs to add to your journaling when you're collaging. Kind of do whatever, but not to have just one theme. I'd like to add a decent amount of numbers because I think numbers are so awesome in journaling. So these are just some dyed papers with some stamping. And then there are word quotes in here too. Let me move this. Here's a few pieces of collage fodder that I cut up today. I didn't make it today, but cut up today. So, can't get, come on. Some florals. Each pack is different, but with the same vibe, I guess you could say. Let me move this stuff. This is just a bin that I have of some random stuff. So some like punched stars, some punched hearts. You probably can't see it all in frame, but I do have paint all over me, of course, like I do always. This is actually authentic old letters, and I just dyed it pink sometime a while ago. It's good for collaging. These I grabbed. These are called Project Life cards. They're just 4x6 journal cards. This one says embark adventure. So you can do whatever you want with that. You can cut them up for cute paper. All sorts of fun things are in these. Okay, so then I did grab a bunch of painted paper to these, but I was just hanging out in the garage making some wonky paper, so I may add some more paper. I'm not sure yet. Let's see. I've got all sorts of bins to add from. I think I might do this. So if you'd like to order one of these packs, obviously there's 3 available. You can send me an email and I'll put that across the screen. I accept PayPal. These packs are $45 shipped. You can ask anybody that's received a pack from me that I do hook you up. You do get lots of fun stuff in yours. I think this one, these 2, I do weigh them, so these 2 I have to do a little catch up on. As far as painted paper, I can tell that it needs a little more painted paper or dyed paper. You might be able to hear my dogs kind of being dogs back there. Let's see. Here's like a little coin envelope. All right, so this is kind of my scraps. So I, add, not total scraps, but there's things I just kind of toss in here that doesn't have a home. This looks like, oh, it might have came unsewn. Unsewn? This is actually sewn paper towel. Let's see. What's in here? Flour. Okay, let me look at my collage fodder. I did a bunch of ice cream cones today. So maybe these packs, I'll send some summery things in here. Ice cream cone. There's so much, I'm out of frame, but I have multiple bins of collage fodder. This one's just billowing. This stuff is watercolor collage fodder. And then I use, these are just little cute stamped florals. Let me see if I did these. I might have already put these in here. Nope, I didn't. Okay. Or you could fussy cut it out or use it as is. Butterfly. They come with literally all sorts of fun things for collage, making snippet rolls. Let's see. Oh, here's a journal card I made. Some stuff doesn't belong in here, I can see. That's Henry. You know my Henry. There's another stamped piece. It just says, for like specimen, it says collect. I don't know if I put these in here already. I'm gonna cut this. But these are super fun packs, all sorts of stuff. Let me see if there's anything else in here I want. Not really. Okay, so let's go on. I got multiple bins. Sorry, oops, I shook my camera. This is my quotes and numbers. So we'll do, I always like to put letter into each one. So I think it's cute for making like faux envelopes, whatever. Put it on, glue it onto, what is it called? A flashcard. It's kind of hard to look through this with. Today I did some stenciling of alphabet, so I'll put some of those in there. If I can get it in there. But you know, all sorts of things to collage with. I think I said that like 1,000 times. So here's just a little quick snippet. There's some painted papers. Random papers, dyed papers, a dyed envelope, more dyed paper. This is, of course, not all of it because that was just a little pinch of it. There's tons and tons in here. Oh, there's some dyed, not dyed, painted, I can't think of what it's called. Some more painted paper. All right, let's see. Let me look in here. Some more quotes. Inspire. Burn after reading. Special delivery. Okay, Then I have this bin. You know, I keep going and it's gonna bounce. So I just keep going through my bins and adding different pieces of collage fodder. I need to make more mushrooms. Actually, I think I might do that tonight. So this is my magazine, one of my magazine pieces of collage fodder bin. Here's that ice cream cone I did on my channel earlier. I just keep adding, there's so much in here, guys. These flowers I've already added to these packs. These current flowers that I did, these kind. But anyway, so these are almost done. I'll be adding just a little bit more painty papers to this one in just a second. Hi, buddy. So again, if you would like to order a pack, I have 3 that are gonna be ready tonight. I have endless amounts of papers and dyed things and collage fodder, so I'll be making more. I'm just letting you know that these are available, so send me an email. And I will send you a fun collage fodder pack. I try to do like as much different textury things too. But there's a lot of surprises woven in between these layers. I don't want to show everything because half the fun is opening them up and just seeing all the different pieces. So, let's see. And I usually add vintage stamps to them, and then some, I just have drawers and drawers of like fodder and not even before fodder, like even vintage things. I'm trying to think of the word, ephemera. So I'll add things like, you know, that's like store-bought, not necessarily homemade. I just try to do a really thorough mix and variety so that when you get the pack, you have all sorts of things you can do. There's a butterfly. There's a butterfly. And a butterfly. So these are almost ready. Oh, there's I really don't want to open them up, but there's all sorts of stuff. Just trust me on this. Ask anyone that's gotten one. There's a million different types of things in here. So anyway, I just want to show you guys that real quick. These will be available as of tonight. So if you would like to get one, let me know. Bye.